This is part 5 of my vlog, trying to do the YouTube thing once again. And in this vlog, I just wanted to make a quick vlog once again and talk about the gear that I use for making the videos, and just to start, right? So I'm actually using the Sony a7 IV, and the reason why I got that, that type of camera is because I do photography. Like, that's my gig. Like, that's what I do as a gig. That's what I do for side hustle money. Normally I do not do videos, so I'm learning videos. So the good thing about the Sony a7 IV, that it has good video. It records at 4K, and that's what everybody's looking for in a camera that records 4K. So at least I'm good on that side. That's why I'm using that. But remember, you don't really have to use all that good equipment, because I used to make videos before and I would use it with my phones. And then second, I have a 16 millimeter. As you can see, it's a wide lens, and that lens can record more in the frame, like you can see right now. If I were to put like a 35, I would look a little bit more tighter, right? Because it doesn't fit. So it's a beginner photographer, or a videographer, my bad. You need to have a wide lens to make this type of video, so you can get more in the frame. Like right now, this is what I'm doing, making more in the frame. And then for audio, I normally would have got a mic on the camera, but the thing is that I didn't want to have it on top like that, so I invested on some Rode wireless microphones. And then lately I've been using the mini DJI minis mics, to make this type of videos, just to talk. But overall, this is what I use. I use my a7 IV with a 60 millimeter 1.8 lens. It doesn't have to be a 1.8, but as long as it's a wide lens, it's good. And then obviously right now the minis or the Rode wireless or any mic that you can put on top, so you can record, or you can use your phone, and you actually get this mini DJI minis, and there's like a little adapter here. Look, let me show you. So this is the box, right? And then obviously it comes with, like, obviously everything else is there, but it comes with this little thingy. Hold on, see if I could take it out. Well, I don't know if you can see in that box, this little thingy right here, that right there, you can connect it to the transmitter or whatever it's called, and you connect it to your phone. And then little mics, you see, got a little mic right here, got another one on my shirt just to record audio. But yeah, you can do that and record your audio. I'm learning audio, I'm learning videography, because yeah, so lately I'm been doing videos, small videos. When I do photography, lately I've been doing videos for free, to try to get in there. And then people ask me, oh, I want a small video, so I'm starting really small. I bought myself a cage so I can hold my camera better, because there was a client that told me that my videos look shaky and I don't have money for a gimbal. It's kind of pricey as well, so I already expense on the camera, because that's what I do the most and everything. So for right now, everything is good. And yeah, I just wanted to make this quick little video, this little vlog in my truck, talking about the gear that I use or starting using as I proceed in my journey and becoming successful, man. Like, that's what everybody and wants to do, especially as a man. I'm an older man. I'm 38, my bad. I'm 38 years old, and I struggling to make money. So it's not too late. I always thought it was late, but it's not too late. I'm barely 38, so I still have a chance to fix my life. And that's why I'm doing all these little investments on myself, like the cameras and the mics, doing small shoots here and there, doing events and everything, just so I could, get better at photography and better at videography, because that's one of my main goals, is to do one of those as my main priority work. But let's see what happens. Let's just keep going. And if just always stay positive, man. I come from a really bad place, and I'm even surprised that I'm here right now doing this. I had different outcomes, but at the end of the day, we here and we have to figure out what's our purpose. So keep your head up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.